Peace family, welcome to our Monday analysis. So let's analyze Nasdaq. So we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our file. So we know for our this zone right, what's happening. This resistance area right there, and then let's go to the hourly. Okay. Now the market opened around these areas right here. So having this gap around here. So it's possible that the market can push to the upside, potentially up to there. Up to here. Okay, but if the market decides to sell due to the high NFP reports that were produced on Friday, we can see something like retest, and it will sell up to there. So that's my analysis for Nasdaq. Let's go to GBPJPY, and then on a weekly. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour. Then let me just blow up this so that everything can be clear, and then let me blow up again so that we can see what we're dealing with. So on a 4-hour, we have this resistance area, and we're having this gap right here, and then let's go to the hourly. So if the market continues with the overall trend, maybe we can see a push and then break, retest, and then continue with the overall trend. And then if the market decides to sell, then it's possible that maybe we can see something like market around these areas, giving us a full top, then excuse me, sell up to there. So that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY, and then on a weekly. So let me just, so on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our file, and then let me block this so that we can have a clear market structure. So on a 4-hour, we're having this resistance area right here, and then let's go to the hourly. So on an hourly, the market are pushed to the downside, so it's possible that maybe we can push potential up to here, or maybe it can retrace, maybe give us a young double bottom and then continue, or it can even continue with the overall trend, which is retest, and then continue. But I'm just having to, I will just have to watch and see how the market is going to react around these areas right here. And then let's check the XY, and then on a 4-hour, like 4-hour. So for the XY, we are on an uptrend. Like the dollar is very strong right now. So having the dollar being strong right now, which means that we need to sell the Euro USD, and then let's go to weekly. Since the dollar is very strong right now, on Euro USD we are on a downtrend, and let's go to the 4-hour. So what I saw currently, I saw this channel, right? Not a channel, but a trend to the downside. This one right here. Let me just do this. I'm just a perfectionist. That's my weakness, or even my strength sometimes. Okay, I'm seeing this trend right here to the downside, because here's what's happening, right? So here's what's happening. So the USD is stronger, and then the euro is very weak, so which means that we have to favor the USD. So hence we're having a downtrend. So we're selling the USD versus the euro. So let's go to the hourly, and then so it's possible that on a technical side, it's possible that the market can push to the side, potentially out to there, or maybe we can see something like market coming around these areas and then push again. Okay, and then let's go to USDJPY, and then on a weekly, so on a weekly we are on an uptrend. So here's what's happening. Since we are on an uptrend, the USD is very stronger than the yen pair. Let me just make this smaller. So hence we need to favor the USD. So we need to buy the USD. And then let's go to the weekly, not the weekly, the only 4-hour, and see how our technicals. So on a technical side, right here, I don't see a clear market structure. So let's go to hourly. So on an hourly, I do not see a clear market structure unless if we break this zone right here, right there, maybe something like this, come, break, and then retest and then continue, maybe something like this. But right here, I don't see. Let me see. Nah, it doesn't qualify. So I'll just have to watch how the market is going to react when it gets to these areas right here. And then let's check our last pair. So let's go on weekly. So on a weekly, we are on a downtrend. So since we are on a downtrend, which means that the USD is stronger than the GBP. Let me just make this stronger. So we need to favor the USD at the moment. So we need to sell. So let's go to the 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, what I saw is this zone right here. So let's go to the hour. So remember guys that these videos are not constitute as financial advice. If you're looking for any financial advice, please contact with someone who is registered in that department. So the market can come to around these areas and then potentially sell. So all the analysis that I'm doing right here are for entertainment purposes, or even see what are my thoughts based on this analysis. So for GBPUSD, this is what I'm going to look out for. And let's go to analyze gold. So for gold on a weekly, okay, there's something interesting right here. So so on a weekly, we are on a downtrend, and then we're having this zone right here, and then let's go to the 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, we're having this zone right there. Okay, so let me delete this. So let's go to the hourly. So on hourly, we're seeing this huge gap, and then the market is pushing to cover this gap. Perhaps we can see something like close this gap, and then the market can come around these areas. Since the USD is stronger than the other pairs, you can see the market starting to sell, and then maybe potential up to there. So let's go to the 4 hour. There's something that I'm trying to explain here. So what are we seeing right here? What I'm seeing right here is a pullback. So the market had like impulsive to the downside, and then now it came to retest around this area, so it get potentially to these areas right here, since the USD is stronger than the other pairs. So that's my analysis for gold at the moment. Tap in.